Ready? All right, so a little video. I gotta run out to my other building, and I ain't walking. It's 24. That's not right. It's not 24 degrees. It's like 17. Oh my god. Finding dead birds now. Oh my god. Some places have over a foot. She's not cold. I'm just not going out in this weather. There's just no way I'm going out in this weather. I hope she doesn't gel up with the fuel. Oh, nobody's at the gun range. There's no way the golf cart would make it in this. You can't steer. The golf cart won't steer. Pushes the front tires. You have a good time? Something to remember my old age. The Great Snowstorm of 2021. Oh my, I have a gas heater out here I took out of the guest house. So I hope it's still here. Who the hell's walking back here? Is that footprints? Somebody's walking on my property. Well, that's not good. Oh, there's my heater right there. I do have it. All right, that's going in the house. I don't know who's walking around here. There it is, my heater right over there, that kind of gold thing. This sucks. This like totally sucks. Part 2. Stupid dog. Get out of the way. Oh my gosh, you're so irritating. You're smart. Oh my god, this is crazy. Should we take a little drive? Oh my god. Shit, it's plowing through. It's not even wanting to go. Let's go see what the highway looks like. Oh, I love my truck. I just love my truck. Got it in 4-wheel drive. You can't do this in a little Prius. Let me tell you that. I should go pig. You want to go pig hunting tonight? Pigs. Want to go get pigs? I'm so glad Biden stopped all the oil exploration. We don't need oil. Who needs oil? We don't need no stinking oil. Oh my god. Oh shit. Whoa, goddamn. Whoa, damn. Wow, no cars. No cars at all. What the hell is this? Something falling off somebody's car? That's a big ice chunk. Nobody's on the highway. It's 75. Oh, that's nothing in 4-wheel drive. You should go get coffee. You know, they want to get coffee? Alright. Virgin snow. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't that just beautiful? Have yourself a merry white Christmas. You want to go pig hunting? No, I don't think so. Damn, look at all this. I'm just playing this so when in September when it's like god awful hot here, I'm gonna go, oh god, remember when it was so cool? There's my dog again. Stupid dog, you gotta go inside. Okay, so that's it. February 16th, I am one cold taco. Everything is snowed in. Oh my god, everything. The truck worked great. Absolutely worked great. So that's it, everybody. Thank you for watching my videos, and there will be more pig hunting videos here very soon. Very soon. Okay, Tim's Big Adventure, Part 3. It works. It looks like shit, but oh my god, this is so hot. I have it on low. So it heats up those ceramic, which makes more radiant heat. Oh my god, the heat coming off this is so hillbilly, but nobody's got power. I have no power. It's gonna be like 0 again tonight. Not here though, at the taco house. Man, this is gonna be like super hot. Look at that. What a pain in the ass. So with my lower back problems, that thing probably weighs 80 pounds, dragging it around. So, success at the taco house. Saturday, I'm going pig hunting. This is bullshit. Taco is cold and out.